ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking.
Okay, so my mates, welcome back, and I'm back after a long period of time, and I'm back with a new project called Sign Language Detection. Sign language detection is basically used by deaf and dumb people, so it is based on that, and let's go directly to the project work. So first, I'll create my directory name, sign language detection. Okay, so I'll open this directory in VS Code. So open folder, desktop is, yeah, and here's my directory. Okay, so in this I'll start with data collection dot py. Okay, yes, so it's a Python program, and yes, a Python project with Priyansh. And before starting everything, we have to import some libraries. So we'll go to our terminal and we'll import some libraries. So first is OpenCV. So we'll do pip install OpenCV contrib Python. And as you can see, requirements are already satisfied. So next we have to install a third-party API, which is a reference is Murtaza's workshop. So it's CV zone. So it's like pip install CV zone, and as you can see, all requirements are satisfied. Next, numpy. So pip install numpy. Okay, so requirement is already satisfied, and also you can install media pipe. So it's like pip install media pipe, and requirements are already satisfied. So yeah, we are ready for writing a good code. So we'll import all these libraries. So first is import cv2, which is my OpenCV. Secondly, from CV zone, dot, and our module is hand tracker module. So hand tracking module, import hand detector. Yeah, here it is. And we have to import numpy. Okay, numpy as np. Okay, and next is we have to import math, and we'll import time. Okay, so for video capturing, we'll write a code, cap is equal to cv2 dot video capture, and in the bracket I'll go with 0. बेसिकली होता क्या है कि ये 0 मैंने इसलिए डाला है क्योंकि मैं जो कैमरा यूज़ कर रहा हूँ वो मेरा डिवाइस कैमरा है. अगर आप वेब कैमरा यूज़ कर रहे हो, इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग वेब कैमरा, you have to put 1 instead of 0. So yeah, and detector is equals hand detector, and in the bracket max hands is equals 1. एंड इसका मतलब है कि हैंड डिटेक्शन जो होगी और मैक्स हैंड्स मतलब हैंड एक टाइम पे मैं एक हाथ दिखा पाऊंगा, ठीक है, वो दोनों हाथ मेरे साथ में डिटेक्ट नहीं करेगा। उसके बाद हम चलते हैं ऑफसेट पे। सो ऑफसेट हम इसका रख देते हैं 20, आई थिंक 20 इज फाइन। इमेज साइज, image size will be 300 and counter is equals 0. ओके, सो अब बेसिकली मेरे को एक फोल्डर चूज करना है जहाँ पर मेरी ये इमेजेस जाएंगी। सो फोल्डर इज इक्वल्स, फोल्डर मैं चूज करता हूँ आपका साइन लैंग्वेज डिटेक्शन। यहाँ पर साइन लैंग्वेज डिटेक्शन डेटा फोल्डर बनाता हूँ, ठीक है। ये इस डेटा में मेरे जाएगा और इसके अंदर मैं एक इसके सब फोल्डर्स बनाऊंगा। सो डेटा के अंदर सबसे पहले मैं डालूंगा हेलो। ओके, सेकेंड फोल्डर आई पुट इज okay, thank you, and next I'll put is okay or yes. Okay, अभी मैंने 3 डेटा उसके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ। ओके, सो एक बार आपको दिखा देता हूँ कि इस डायरेक्टरी में मेरे डेटा में हेलो, यस और ओके, हेलो के अंदर थैंक यू बन गया, तो ये मैं डिलीट कर देता हूँ एंड इसमें यहीं से बाहर से ही फोल्डर बना देता हूँ डाटा के अंदर। ओके, कमांड सेल एंड वील गो फॉर न्यू फोल्डर एंड इसमें मैं कर देता हूँ यस, सॉरी, थैंक यू। ओके, सो अभी मैं सिर्फ एक स्मॉल डेटा सेट पे काम कर रहा हूँ, हेलो, थैंक यू एंड यस। सो मेरे को बेसिकली इन तीनों उसकी इमेजेस कलेक्ट करनी पड़ेगी। आई हैव टू कलेक्ट द इमेजेस फॉर ऑल 3 टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा एंड देन आई विल प्रोसीड फर्दर फॉर द मशीन लर्निंग एंड ऑल। सो फर्स्ट हम फोल्डर में सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं। अब मेरे को उस फोल्डर का नाम डालना है बेसिकली, या फिर पाथ्स बोल सकते हो आप, उस फोल्डर का पाथ डालना है जहाँ पर इमेजेस कलेक्ट होंगी। सो फोल्डर का पाथ लिखते हैं, फोल्डर का पाथ है डाटा स्लैश हेलो। ओके, सो यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं हम, 1 सेकेंड, मैं पाथ बेसिकली यहाँ से कॉपी कर लेता हूँ हेलो का। ओके, सो गेट इन्फो एंड आई विल कॉपी द होल पाथ and I'll paste it here. Okay. Yeah. So next is our coding for data collection. So first we'll go for while true. Success comma image is equals cap dot read. Okay, so this is for capturing, and hands comma image is equals detector dot find hands. So बेसिकली इससे होगा कि आपके जो हैंड्स हैं ये फाइंड करेगा इमेज में, एंड आपको ब्रैकेट में डालना पड़ेगा कहाँ पर वो फाइंड करेगा, इमेज में फाइंड करेगा. सो इफ हैंड्स hand is equals hands okay, 0 पे रखते हैं इंडेक्स x comma y comma w comma h. So this is x axis, y axis, width, height. So is equals hand in the bracket we write b box. Okay, so image white. So image white is basically we are using for getting the white background of the image. So जो भी हमारा हैंड डिटेक्ट होगा उसे एक वाइट बैकग्राउंड में डालना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ड्यूरिंग द मशीन लर्निंग इट विल हेल्प more, and machine learning हमारी ढंग से होगी. So yeah, so np dot ones, and in the bracket we'll go with image size comma image size comma 3. Okay, and next np dot 8, I think 8, yeah, and star 255. Okay, these are the parameters, and then we'll go for image crop. As the name suggests, we are cropping according to some parameters, and image crop is equals to image and y minus offset, and we decided offset as 20. Yeah, we decided offset as 20. So y minus offset yeah, so y plus h plus offset comma x minus offset. Okay, so here we'll go for x plus width plus offset. Okay, so these are the parameters of my image crop. Next we'll go with image shape. Image crop shape. So image crop shape is equals image dot crop, sorry so image crop dot shape, and we'll take a ratio, aspect ratio, and it will be height upon width. So, yeah, so we'll apply a condition. So if aspect ratio is greater than 1, so we'll take a variable k is equals image size divided by height. Okay, and we'll calculate weight and name the variable as weight cal. Oh gosh, yeah. So it's math dot seal, and it will be K star W. Okay, K star W. Okay, after it we'll go for image resize, and image resize is cv2 dot resize image crop, and we have to add our weight calculation, weight cal, comma image size. Yeah, so we are done with image resize, and we have to resize shape as well. So image resize shape equals, so image resize, here it is, image resize dot shape. Simple. Okay, so till now there's only few lines of code, and we are left with more few lines, and we'll ready with our data collection. So now we have to go for weight gap. So weight gap equals math dot seal, yeah, image size, yeah, here it is, image size minus weight, which is calculated, and it should be divided by 2. Yeah, okay. So after it, for white image white, you have to go for parameters, is to weight gap, go for weight gap, yeah, and okay, so we have to insert a comma here. So after it, the calculation will be weight calculation plus we'll add weight gap to it. Yeah, that's it, and we have to allot it with image resize. Okay, and when we use if condition, we also have to use else condition. So for else condition, okay, for else condition, k equals image size upon weight. Okay, so can you understand about it? We are working with height here, and we are working with weight here. So it's nothing, but you have to copy this whole thing. Okay, this whole thing, and we have to paste here. Now, where are weights? We have to do with height. H, K, here is weights. H, image resize. So here will be height calculations. Okay, and there's also one thing, the image size should be first, and then it will be height calculations. Yeah, so image resize dot shape, then we'll go for W gap, it's edge gap, and math seal, image size minus height calculation, image white Okay, so here will be edge gap, and we don't need any starting. Okay, edge gap will be edge calculated and edge gap, and we need an ending here for the dictionary, and is equal to image resize, and I think we are done with it. Okay, so some parts are left, only few parts are left. So it's cv2 dot I am show, and we have to show image. Okay, image crop and image crop. Yeah, similarly we have to copy this line, we have to paste it, cv2.imshow, and image crop की जगह white, यहाँ पे भी image white. Okay, so for opening cameras we have to stay in a loop but outside of if else conditions. So cv2 dot imshow, okay, we'll name it as image. Okay, I will be capital. We'll name it as image comma image. Next, key is equals, and what is key? की बेसिकली ऐसी हमारी जो कीबोर्ड पे की होगी जिसे प्रेस करके हम डेटा को कलेक्ट कर पाएंगे. सो यस, cv2 dot wait key, and wait key will be 1. Okay, so we have to put the condition in key. If key equals equals और एंड कोई भी आप की चूज कर सकते हो. मैं जैसे यहाँ पे एस की चूज कर लूँगा टू लाइक कैप्चर द डेटा, एंड काउंटर equals okay, so counter should be increased by 1, so plus equals 1. So cv2 dot I am right, yeah, and now we have to store the images in some form. like forms होती हैं, फॉर्मेट होता है टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेट जैसे होता है डॉक्यूमेंट का, वैसे ही इमेज का फॉर्मेट होता है जेपीजी, जेपीईजी या फिर पीएनजी फॉर्मेट होता है. तो उसमें आपको करना है तो F and we'll open a folder. अच्छा, फोल्डर एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता होगा तो उसकी टेंशन मत लेना, there is no need to worry, it will create a folder by itself. If there is no folder, folder / image, okay, underscore time dot time, and dot कोई भी फॉर्मेट में I'll store in JPG format, and yeah, img white. So now we have to print the counter. Here, count. Okay, so there are no problems in the data collection code. Okay, so first of all, I tell you that this code is not the main code. This code is for data collection. And जो हम पहला डेटा कलेक्ट करेंगे वो करेंगे हेलो के लिए. एंड जो या पाथ हमने हेलो का डाला है. सो इन साइन लैंग्वेज द हेलो means like the hello sign is opening of one hand. So I'll show you. I'll collect the data first. I run the program. Okay, it's taking a while and there's an error in running the program. Sign language diction collection. Okay, so there's a okay, so my virtual environment is not here right now. I have to open my virtual environment. So okay, so I have to open my virtual environment first. So we'll go to ChatGPT, open virtual environment. So this is my virtual environment. Script source my bin, my env activate. Okay, command v, and instead of my venv, okay, there's a bit of error. Okay, so we'll write with it. So source, my virtual environment name is venv underscore name. So source venv underscore name slash bin slash activate. Oh gosh, so I have to activate first. I thought my virtual environment is already there. I have to do it first. Okay, so after it we have to run this command on the terminal. Okay, there are 3 problems. Oh my god. Okay, so the problem was that in my virtual environment the packages were not installed. So I'll go with pip install cvzone. Okay, it's saying upgrade pip. Okay, so everything, there's no problem. I'll try to run it again. So let's try. camera is not opening. God knows why. Okay, so it says import media pipe as MP. So we'll go to a new terminal. We'll install media pipe as well. So pip install media pipe. Okay, so media pipe was not installed in my virtual environment. I installed earlier, so sorry for the inconvenience. So I think it should run now. Yeah, so it is running, and I can show you my right hand, and if I place two hands it will not detect because max hands में मैंने one डाला था. So yeah, okay, so this is my right hand, this is my left hand, and as you can see, when I go close to it, close to the camera, it will be off. So I opened it again, and as you can see, here is white image, white background, image white. Okay, so it is detecting well. Nice. And now we have to collect the data for hello, and in the sign language, hello is, the sign of hello is like this. Okay, so I'm getting too close to it. We run it again. So sign language says hello like this, and we have to collect the data. So for collecting the data, we chose the key S for collection. So I collect the data with S key. I'm pressing S key. Okay, I'm done. So if I stop it, see, I have collected 64 images right now, and it's present in data hello, and as you can see, my images are there. Okay, so my images for data is here, and in a similar way I'll collect the images for rest of the signs, for thank you and for yes. And the first thing you have to change is this path. We have to remove hello and we have to write thank you. Okay, thank you. Now we have to run it again. Okay, so first we have to close this camera. We'll close the VS Code. Okay, so it's thank you for now, and yeah, it's opening. And in sign language, the thank you sign is like this. So I'll go with pressing S key. Okay, so as you can see, I have collected 93 images of thank you. These are my thank you images, and in similar way you have to collect all the images as shown. Okay, now I have to close the camera. Okay, so मैं आपको बता दूं कि मेरे पास एक पहले से एक रेडी डेटा सेट जो मैंने ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर रखा है वो मेरे पास पड़ा है. ठीक है, एज यू कैन सी इन दिस डायरेक्टरी आई हैव साइंस फॉर हेलो, आई लव यू, नो, ओके, प्लीज़, थैंक यू, यस. सो मेरे पास इसकी इमेजेस ऑलरेडी पड़ी हैं, लाइक हेलो की पड़ी है, आई लव यू की पड़ी है, एंड आई हैव ऑल दीज इमेजेस. सो बेसिकली मैंने उसी कोड से ये सारी इमेजेस कलेक्ट करी हैं. सो एक काम करते हैं, इस जो भी डेटा मैंने अभी कलेक्ट किया है उसको हटा देते हैं और उसकी जगह डेटा को कॉपी करके मैं डेटा यहाँ पे डाल देता हूँ. ओके, सो आई हैव डेटा हेलो, आई लव यू, नो, ओके, प्लीज़, थैंक यू, यस. आप अपना डेटा कलेक्ट कर लेना प्लीज़. ओके, so now the main thing is machine learning. So where we have to do it and how we have to do it. So we have a Google machine learning environment. It says Google AI learning, and basically we have to train the model. So AI training, okay, so yes, teachable machine is one. So we have to open this teachable machine with google.com and we have to get start, image project, standard image model, and now you have to put all the images of yours according to the class names. So class 1, like my class name is hello, so I have to upload all the images of hello here. So choose the images from the files, drag and drop. So these are the images of hello. I have to choose all the images of hello, like command A, command C, okay, and I'll upload it. So there are 391 images of hello. I have it. There are 391 images of hello, and also try to collect more and more data. So the more data you have for the training, the more best results you will have. Actually, I'm sorry, it's like 3:35 a.m. in the morning and I am making the video, so it's a bit hesitating. So yeah, after class 1 we'll go for class 2, and our class 2 was thank you, and we have to upload all the images of thank you as we did. Earlier. So we uploaded 104 images of thank you, and we have 2 classes. So I am training my model according to 2 classes, but you have to train according to your set of data. So I have 2 classes, thank you and hello, and I gave all the images I collected, and now I'll click on train model. So it will prepare training data. So it will take some time. Okay, so it says it will take some time. It is training my model in 50 epochs, batch size 16, learning rate. Okay, so 50 epochs is basically good. Like my training model will be good in 50 epochs. A training model higher than 10 epochs is like good. Earlier I trained my model for 300 epochs. So yeah, allow. So see, if I say hello, see, you can test here. If I see hello, it's 99% hello. If I say thank you, it's 99% thank you. Hello, thank you. So my model is trained and it's running nicely. So export model and download. I have to download my model. So in TensorFlow form, download my model. And it should be Keras. Yeah, it should be Keras. So after downloading, it will be downloaded in a while. Yeah, so my model is downloaded. Here it is. So I'll drag and drop here. Okay, leave page. Now here's my model, and now I have to open it, and I will delete the zip file. I'll open it, and here I have two things: Keras underscore model dot h5. This is my main model, and labels dot txt. So so I have two things here: Keras underscore model dot h5. This is my main model, and labels dot txt. This is my labels file. So after having labels file and the model, we have to go with main program. Okay, so we'll move to the main program, and when I'll say model, I have model earlier, and this is Keras underscore model dot h5 labels dot txt. So this was the model which was trained about for 300 epochs, and this is the model for all of my data which I collected earlier. So yeah, so I don't need this model, so I'm deleting it. So now my main model is this, and I told you how to train your model. So yeah, we'll go to VS Code again. Here's my VS Code, and now I'll add a file called not in data. Okay, let's add directly. So I'll add a file test.py, here. As you can see, test.py. So I'll open in the VS Code. I'll open, here's my test.py. And now you will say that how come the whole test thing came here? Actually, this was earlier done by me, and I'll give the link of this code. This is the same code we done earlier in the data collection. As you can see, while true, we have to start and it ends at image white, and same code is here, while true till image white. And this is cv2.rectangle and put text. This is just designing. ये सिर्फ मेरी एक डिजाइनिंग है. एंड ऑल्सो यहाँ पर लेबल्स में मैंने सारे लेबल्स डालने हैं. अच्छा, एक बात मैं आपको बता दूं कि जो लेबल्स आप डालोगे व्हेन यू विल पुट द लेबल्स एकदम ऑर्डर में होने चाहिए जिस हिसाब से आपने मॉडल ट्रेन किया है, नहीं तो रिजल्ट्स गलत आएंगे. ऑल्सो मॉडल, ये जो मेरा पाथ है ये मेरा पहले का पाथ है. सो आई हैव टू चेंज माई पाथ for Kira's and label Kira's model and labels txt. So get info. So I have to command C. So command V. This is my complete path for Kira's. And this is my complete path for labels.txt. So yes, I am done with the code. And this is just a designing part. Main thing was my model and my labels file. This code will be there in my GitHub. You can take directly from there. So now I'm running my code. And here's a problem occurs. It says TensorFlow is missing. So I have TensorFlow, but it is missing in my virtual environment. So I'll go with new terminal. I'll say pip install TensorFlow. It will take a while. Okay, it's taking quite a long time. Okay, so I'm pausing the video. I'll get back to you when it will get download. Okay, so I'm back. It's just collecting packages of TensorFlow. It will take 1 minute more. Okay, it's taking a long time. This code will be there in my GitHub. So kindly copy the code from there. I have explained everything which is in work in data collection.py. This is the same code which we did in the data collection. Only we have done in this code is designing, nothing else. Okay, so everything is ready and I'll run my code. I have installed the TensorFlow package, so I'm going to run my code now and I hope it works. Okay, so it's taking time. Yeah, I'm here now. So signs are hello, thank you, I love you, okay, please, no, yes. So for yes, we do like this. So it's saying yes. Yeah, it's coming well. So for thank you, we are like this. Okay, it's coming well now. For please, we are like this. For hello, we are like this. It's coming wonderfully. For no, oh my god, it's brilliant. So yeah, we are done with our project and thank you so much for supporting, and I'll be coming with next project soon after my exams get over. Till then, thank you, bye.
Let's take it